Welcome. Thank you so much for volunteering for free legal answers. Please begin by going to ca.freelegalanswers.org. Click on Attorney Registration, agree to the terms and conditions, and enter the required information. Watch your email inbox for a verification email and follow the link in this email to verify your account. At this point, an administrator will need to approve your account. You will receive a confirmation email once your account has been approved. Now you're ready to start answering client questions. California's free legal answers site has a substantive review process. Before posting an answer to a client, you will email a draft for review. An expert will review your answer and make edits or recommendations and return it to you to post to the client. To get started, please sign into your account. This is your home page. Browse the available questions and select one to answer. When you find a question to answer, please select it and move it to your queue by clicking I want to answer this question. This question will now show up on your home page under your personal queue. Questions you place in your queue will not be available for other volunteer attorneys to pick up. However, after 3 days of inactivity, the question will automatically return to the main queue where it will again become available to other volunteers. Please keep these timelines in mind as you draft your answer and during the review period. Once you have drafted an answer for the client, you are ready to send it to one of our expert reviewers. Please email your draft answer to freelegalanswers@acbanet.org. The subject line should include the client's first and last name along with their county of residence. In the body of the email, paste the client's question and your draft answer. Please also include other important information such as legal deadlines or details the client stated in the description but did not repeat in the question. Please keep in mind that this is a blind process. The reviewers do not know the name of the drafter, and the drafter will not know the name of the reviewer. This process is meant to give you and the client confidence in the legal advice we provide. Expect to hear back from your reviewer within 3 to 5 days. Once your draft answer has been sent to the reviewer, please navigate back to the FLA platform to provide an update for the client. To do so, please reply to the question by clicking Answer Now and inform the client that an answer is in the works and will be provided to them soon. Please keep in mind that you may also use this question thread to post clarifying questions or to request additional facts or documents needed to answer the question. When you receive a reply from your reviewer, please make any edits if needed. To post your answer, navigate back to the Free Legal Answers platform, select Reply, copy and paste your answer into the text box, and hit Submit. At this point, it is up to you whether you would like to leave the thread open where communication can continue or to close the question and further communication by clicking Mark as Closed. Thank you again for volunteering for Free Legal Answers. If you have any questions, please contact us at freelegalanswers@acbanet.org.